Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find shortcuts on the ArtFlow application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the white circle on the upper right corner of the screen and tap to the 6 square on the top left corner of the screen. This is the home page, and tap to the 3 point on the upper right corner of the screen. Go to the settings option and go to the shortcuts section. Here you can find different shortcuts about edit operations, project and file operations, paint tools, fill tools, selection tools, tools and drawing operations, layers operations, canvas operation, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.